Olunaku olw'eggulo ebigezo by'abayizi abaatuula siniya ey'okuna byafulumiziddwa mu butongole mu maka g'obwa Pulezidenti e Nakasero. Amawulire bwe gaatuuse ku basibe abali mu makomera abaatuula ebibuuzo bino bafudde essanyu era nga balabiddwako nga beebaza Katonda olw'okubasobozesa okuyita obulungi. Mu kkomera e Luzira abayizi abaatuula ebigezo bino omugatte baali 59 nga ku bana 52 basajja ate 7 bakyala. Yo mu makomera Embarra Main Secondary School abasibe 15 be basobola okutuula ebigezo by'akamalirizo naye nga nabo bakoze bulungi. Twogeddeko n'omu ku basibe ng'agamba nti kibadde kisa kya Mukama.
My name is Mpaji Didas. I'm so happy today because I've just received my results from UNEB. So we are so grateful for this day and for God who has enabled us to achieve this success. I'm happy because it was not easy. You know, in prison we have very many challenges that we face, like scholastic materials. We have files like on me. I'm serving a life imprisonment sentence. So it's not easy for me. And actually I didn't believe that I can be the best, or I will be. But I thank God that I'm the best and I've achieved it. I thank my teachers, I thank all the staff and the OC and even the prison, in the inmate teachers and the external teachers who have been coming to teach us every day and every time. So I thank God for that.
Akulira essomero ly'abasibe e Luzira atubuulidde byabasobozesezza okuyita.
I'm very happy that compared to 2022 results, 2023 performed highly. In 2022 we did not get the first grade. We got 8 in second grade, 16 in the third, 26 in the fourth, and 1 failed. So I'm happy that with my candidates for 2023, we have managed to again break the record by registering 6 division 1.
Nembale amasomero ag'enjawulo gakyagenda mu maaso n'okujaganya olw'okuyita obulungi ebigezo. Essomero lya Mbale Progressive School lyerimu ku gasinze okukola obulungi e Mbale ne first grades 3 era abayizi be twogeddeko nabo beebazizza Katonda olw'okubayisa obulungi.
I personally, right now, I really am so delightful, so grateful, and I cannot even define my happiness because it is really extremely very joyous to be here and to get what I've gotten as a student. And
more happy, extremely, and more happy than I had ever been before, because actually even in my family I was the first to get these results. So I'm very happy to represent Progressive and for my own that I've at least excelled.
Byawandru Bone ne Makumbi Emmanuel, Patriotic TV, Omunyo.